Lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Julia. In today's video, I'll be showing you an effective home remedies that will help to get rid of dark spots, pigmentation, especially dark spots caused from pimples. You know, those dark spots are always very stubborn and hard to remove, but try this home remedy. They will effectively lighten it up within weeks. So let's get straight into the video. So the first ingredient we'll be needing is potato. Potato is very effective in lightening dark patches on the skin, dark spots, and it also helps to brighten up complexion. It has a very powerful bleaching properties in it. Potato also contains catechols, that is an enzyme that helps to get rid of acne from the skin. So using potato on your skin will help to properly fade down discoloration and lighten dark spots, especially the one caused by pimples. So you have to use potato to lighten your dark spots on the skin. Peel off the back of the potato and grate this potato. After grating this first ingredients, then you have to strain this potato. Do not add water for fast results. Strain it very well to extract the potato juice. Like I said, please don't add water to it for faster results. For the second ingredient is cucumber. Cucumbers have a very high water content. It contains antioxidants and multiple vitamins and can be used against several skin discolorations, including dark spots, dark circles, and acne. You can slice a cucumber or use the juice, so make a juice if you are using other ingredients for it. So in this video, I'm going to be taking half of this cucumber for this remedy. I'll be using the half of it. Be grating this cucumber in a circular motion for easy extraction of the juice. Done grating it or blending it, then you have to strain it as well, the way you did with the potato juice. Mixing them together, I'll be adding my raw honey. Honey is very effective for skincare. Honey will moisturize, honey will heal the skin, and honey will act as an antioxidant on the skin to remove acne from your skin. So raw honey will be enough, and it also helps in prevention of pimples from coming on your face. So once you have added the raw honey, then you have to gently mix these three ingredients well. Mix well. Is you either use your cotton wool or you use your brush, but I prefer using cotton wool. You know why? Because cotton wool can easily absorb the ingredients. Like if you dip it inside it, you can easily get enough you will need on your face. So you have to use it like this on your face. Apply it even on your skin. Anywhere you have dark spots, dark pigmentation, just use it. Use it there. Gently apply it. See it here, and once you have applied it, you have to leave it for like 20 minutes or 25 minutes before washing it off. It will help to clear your skin, moisturize your skin, and get rid of dark spots, dark patches, discoloration, pigmentation on your skin. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and also share with your friends to help them as well. Thanks for watching. See you on my next upload.